The Farmer and the Injured Bird story. One cold winter morning, a farmer was walking through his fields when he saw a small bird lying in the snow. The bird was injured and unable to fly. Feeling sorry for the bird, the farmer gently picked it up and took it home. He placed the bird near the fireplace, gave it some food, and tended to its wound. The bird slowly began to heal. After a few days, it regained its strength and started fluttering its wings. When it was fully healed, the farmer opened the window and the bird flew away chirping happily. The farmer felt joy in his heart for helping the helpless creature. A few weeks later, the farmer's crops grew especially well, giving him a rich harvest. He believed that his kindness to the bird brought him good fortune. Moral of the story: acts of kindness, even to the smallest creatures, can bring great rewards. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.